Hello everyone. Today we're going to the lake Durnholzer, which is only 20 minutes drive. We are taking Sam with us so we can practice walking with him and for him to enjoy the nature outside. สวัสดีค่ะทุกคน วันนี้ก็จะเป็นคลิปสั้นๆนะคะ โดยเราจะพาน้องแซมของเรานะคะไปเดินเล่นที่ทะเลสาบใกล้บ้านก็เป็นการฝึกเดินร่วมกับน้องหมานะคะแล้วก็ให้แซมเนี่ยได้สนุกกับธรรมชาตินอกบ้านด้วยค่ะ
You like these branches, huh, Sam? Are you enjoying?
This lake isn't big. It takes us around 20 minutes to walk around.
You go this way, Sam. Hi. Hi. I'm waiting for you here. What do you think? Huh? The water is clear.
You can reach here by bus number 150 from Bolzano bus station.
Oh. 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 Okay, let's go. Let's go. This lake is so quiet and beautiful. Yeah. You think it's beautiful, right, Sam? Yes. You agree with me? You like to run! You like to run! You like to run! Yeah! Yeah! Hiya! Yeah! Hiya! Daddy is tired too. Daddy cannot run anymore. Oh, big dog. Oh, big dog. See that, Sam? Sam, you miss me already? You miss me already? You miss me already? Nah, let's go.
I like to sit back and listen to the sound of water flowing. It is so relaxing. Actually, we wanted to see the sunset, but it's cloudy, so we couldn't see anything. There is a fishing area and a restaurant for you to enjoy your dinner with this beautiful view.
run, 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 run. Yay, run, run.
We spent almost 2 hours here, then we decided to go home. This is a short, relaxing video, and I hope you like it. Have a good day, everyone, and I will see you next time. Bye! ขอบคุณที่รับชมคลิปวิดีโอสั้นๆนี้นะคะ แล้วพบกันใหม่ในคลิปหน้า สวัสดีค่ะ